Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to execute multiple merge statements in SQL Server. Okay, so first I will show my tables. So I have two tables, department table and employees table as target table, and departments underscore staging and employees underscore staging as source tables. Okay, so if we check the first departments table. So here in the target table, I have three rows: department ID 1, 2, 5. Okay, so department ID 1, IT, ID 2, HR, ID 5, legal. So coming to departments underscore staging table. So there are four departments. So we don't find any fifth department. Okay, so additionally we have third and fourth department, admin and sales. These admin and sales are not there in the target table. Okay, we need to insert additionally third and fourth departments. Two instructions in target table in departments table. Okay, because in the source table we have four departments. In the target table I have three departments, but we cannot find the fifth department in the source table. And at the same time we can remove one deletion in target table. Departments means target table. Okay, this is about the target table, departments target table. Now I am checking the employees target table. So this is the employees target table. Here we have only two rows, 101 and 105. Okay, when it comes to employees staging table, which is my source table, so here we have four records. Okay, so but 101 we need to do some updation. 101 it is showing in the target table Robin G, but here in the source table Robin Gupta. Okay, at the same time, and department ID also it is not there. So in the source table it is 1, whereas in target table it is showing 5. So we need to change this one. Okay, at the same time in the source table we have 103 and 104, 102, 102, 103, 104. These three records are not there in the target table employees table. Okay, so we have to remove this 105th record from the target table. That means in the employee target table, one removal, one deletion in employees target, and three insertions: 102, 103, 104. We need to insert these three records, three insertions. And we can also update one updation. So here employee name is slightly different, Robin Gupta. Here Robin underscore G, and department ID is also not same. So one updation, in employees table. Okay, in the departments target table we can do two insertions and one deletion, whereas in employee target table one deletion, three insertions and one updation. Okay, so we need to do multiple merge statements in single query. Okay, so merge statements usually to perform DML operations in a single statement based on the condition. While you cannot execute multiple merge operations in the single statement, but you can execute multiple merge statements sequentially. It is not possible to execute multiple merge operations in a single statement, but it is possible to execute multiple merge statements. We will see how to execute these updations, these DML operations in the merge statement. So here first I am writing in Notepad. So here I am mentioning first merge statement. Merge statement on department table. So here merge into my target table means here departments table, merge into departments table, these target tables, and source tables. Okay, first I am writing merge statement on departments table. Departments table is my target table. Merge into your target table departments as target using source table. What is my source table? Departments underscore staging is my source table. So I'm taking this using as source table. Here I'm mentioning here as source Now, so I need to apply common column. So what is the common column between these two tables? So in the department staging table, we have department ID, DEPT ID. At the same time, in the department's target table, also we have DEPT ID. Common column is department ID. On, so I'm taking this one, removing this one. T.deptid equal to S.deptid. When matched, update. If the department table is matched, then you need to update set. So this is my update statement. Set T.deptname equal to S.deptname. So it is the deptname column name S.deptname. Next, when not matched, when not matched by target, then you can write insert statement. I'm giving column names deptid comma deptname, insert into these two columns. Okay, values I want to insert S.deptid S.deptname. So when not matched by target, so target table is the department table. When it is not matched, we need to insert these two values, these two columns, and values of this source columns. Okay, and finally delete semicolon. Okay, this is first insert statement. Now I am writing second match statement. Merge statement. So here merge into. So what is my second target table? Employees. Merge into employees T using my second source table is employees staging. Using this source table as source S.dss. Okay, on again the same. So in the target table, the column name is employees table. The column name is empid, whereas in the employees staging table, which is my source one, it is also empid. Okay, so here I am mentioning here on T.empid equal to S.empid. This is the common column. Okay, again you can write when matched. When matched, then you need to write update statement. Update set T.empname. So second column is empname. Okay, T.empname, S.empname, comma. So I need to take one more column, T.departmentid. So here this is complete and departmentid. T.departmentid equal to S.departmentid. Okay, so when not this is when matched, then you can write update. When not matched, you can write insert. When not matched by target, then you can write insert statement. So what is insert statement here? Insert these three columns: empid, comma, empname, comma, department id values. So here, so I am taking S.empid, comma, S.empname, comma, S.department id. Okay, so when not matched by source, then delete. When not matched by source, then delete. So this is first match statement and this is second match statement. Okay, I am trying to execute both these statements at one time. So remember, in the first department table, 2 insertions, 1 deletion, and in second target table, employees table, 1 deletion, 3 insertions, and 1 updation. So I will take separate window. Okay, so I execute this one. The statement should end with, yeah. Now execute this one. You can see 5 rows are affected in both target table. And first, refresh your first table. What is my first table here? Department table. So here I am taking this department target table, selecting this one. Now you can see, compare this department table with source table. This is my source table. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Earlier we have fifth department, legal department, that is now deleted. Okay. Now if you compare the latest departments table after executing the merge one, so compare with source here. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So here also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are same. Okay. Like that, if we see the staging table here, this is the staging table, Robin Gupta, and this one. And if you see this is target table. Second target table, Robin Gupta and Prasant Verma. Now source table, we don't find any Prashant Verma. There is no Prashant Verma. Now Prashant Verma will be deleted. Robin Gupta will be updated with a complete name in the source table. Okay. And additionally, we can add 102, 103, and 104 records into employees table, employees target table. Now here I am selecting here, just changing the target table, employees. Now if I execute this query, see, Robin, earlier we have, see, Robin G and department ID is 5. Now you can check Robin Gupta and department ID is updated. And 102, 103, 104 records are inserted. So earlier we can see 105 Prashant Verma, which is not there in after executing the merge check. So this is how you need to write merge statements, multiple merge statements in one single query. So the only logic is here. You cannot execute multiple merge operations in the single statement, but you can execute multiple merge statements sequentially using merge statement. Okay. This is how you need to apply merge statement. So this is first merge statement and second merge statement. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.